Welcome back to my tiny mighty kitchen. I will be cooking up a storm today in my Jamaican kitchen. I'll be preparing mushroom and bell peppers with carrots stir fry along with curry rice or seasoned rice. I'm gonna walk you through the process of what I'm gonna get up to. Let's get into it. So these are the things we have. We have a pan, we have bell pepper, we have carrot, mushroom, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and garlic and pepper. So first we are going to add a bit of ghee to the pot. You want to make sure everything is piping hot. So you can use ghee, butter, sesame seed. That's what I use. Sesame seed oil. These are some of the oils I use, but right now I'm using ghee. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the mushroom. So essentially what I want to achieve with this is some coloring on the mushroom. Once we have some coloring, nice coloring, then we remove it from the pan. So that's what we want to achieve here. So we toss. Some of the mushroom is getting a bit of color. So we're just gonna let this sit a while, and when caramelization is happening, I will toss some more. So that's that. Tea brewing here, and I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today I don't have much doing, but I'm having a Spanish session and I'm gonna take that. Join me for tea. It's really good. So I'm gonna get something to eat while this downloads. Okie dokie. The rice smells so good. Ooh. And here we have, this is blueberry with collagen and strawberry, and this is what I'm having for lunch dinner. I'm going to take Hendy out for a walk. It's a little bit chilly, so I'm gonna get a jacket. Ooh. It's so damn cold. The new mask. So cold. Hey, hey, hey. We are going to the park. We are going to the park. And you know who is excited and happy? And he sure did get his fair share of playtime. Now we are heading back to the house, and he is extremely tired. He's not even bothering other dogs. That's how tired he is. I'm gonna end by saying here, stay positive, think on possibilities. See you in the next video.